It's 2 a.m. TV's on in my whole right hill. I don't know, it's getting harder to be myself. The dim-lit corner of this house, cold as you when you walked out. Said I didn't know how to love. I prayed at night to get relief in a blood-stained Bible that I read. Besides the nights that I do drink, see you home's my dying wish, but that's just something God can't fix. There's no good days on this side of hell. You said, wash away the light down wick, cause it feels getting dry and it burns up quick. Like the way your restless smile lets in every demon when you don't know why. When the walls close in and I'm lost in all my sin, if heaven lets me in, will I see your face again?
God knows that I've tried, can't fix every broken part. But you spend so much time just living in the dark, and I hope you know that wherever you are, there's two paths you can take. And I said,
wash away the light down wick, cause it feels getting dry and it burns up quick. Like the way your restless smile lets in every demon when you don't know why. When the walls close in and I'm lost in all my sin, if heaven lets me in, will I see your face again?
You spend so much time just living in the dark,
and I hope you know that wherever you are, we spend so much time just living in the dark. And I hope you know that wherever you are, there's two paths you can take. And you said, wash away the light down wick, cause it feels getting dry and it burns up quick. Like the way your restless smile lets in every demon when you don't know why. When the walls close in and I'm lost in all my sin, if heaven lets me in, will I see your face again?
I'm scared to meet you, cause then I might know you. And then once I know you, I might fall in love. And once I'm in love, then my heart is wide open for you to walk in, drop the bomb, blow it up. So I love anything, anything, anything at all. Why love anything at all? If the higher I fly is the further I fall, then why love anything at all?
Stressed and strung out about things that could happen. And I can move mountains with the worry I've done. So I called my father and he started laughing. He said, you think it's bad now, wait till you have a son. So I love anything, anything, anything at all. I love anything at all. If the higher I fly is the farther I fall, then I love anything at all.
I believe it was a sin. Oh, to do you in the way I did. I stole the gold and drank the gin. And then I ran off with your king. If I can, you know I will. And if the stars align, I still loaded on the things that I can't change. And I'm out here tonight, so if you wanna start a fight, we'll get loaded on the things that I can't change. I believe it was a sin to do you in the way I did you in. I couldn't stop it coming from afar, and lost the keys to the getaway car. And every now and then I'm in this place. It's hell living when I need your face. Don't hide, don't hide, don't hide from me. Oh, to do you in the
love and trouble, I guess. Like they always say, wrong time, wrong girl, wrong place. I was good to you and I had faith. Someone I thought I knew changed to someone new. You took it too far and I ran out of grace. So you took the low road and sold it off like you were good to me. You left me nowhere else to go. I had no choice but to leave. Oh baby, you told me one thing, did another, I did some wrong. You did it double, that's what I get for love and trouble, I guess. You stabbed my back and twisted a knife. Whole time you knew it wasn't right, and somehow you still justify yourself while you're on the low road, low.
I took a drive and I crossed every line. You heard me once, I tried to hurt you twice, yeah. The whole time, was it love or just for show? You built me up so high,